What's up guys, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I want to explain to you guys the difference between two models, two freezers in our company. So the first one is Q7 Pro, another one is Q7R. The R is like XR is for iPhone, so we have this new model, so we want to we also want to name it Q7R. So that's the reason. So I just want to explain to you guys. So first thing is difference between the two machines. So the second thing is the something in common. So those two machines also they have something in common. So I'm gonna explain to you guys from the difference and also something in common to let you guys understand about those two machines. So the difference number one, I think, is from the part exteriors, the exterior part of this machine. So this one actually, you see, this is metal. This is metal, as we can see here. This is always joint is metal. It's seems like very strong, very strong. And this one is like fridge. It's like fridge in your house, in your home. So this is not metal. This is plastic. This is plastic. And the difference number two, I think, is the weight. The weight of those two machines. So the weight of this one this one is heavier. This one is heavier. It weighs more. So this one is lighter. So they have at least 10 kilos difference. So this is number two. Difference number three is the working side. So this one, as we can see, this is 6 pieces here. You can put this 16 inches. 35 centimeters by 25, so this is like a 16 inches. You can put 6 pieces inside. So this one you can put 9 pieces, so it's between S8 and S8 Plus. You can put 9 pieces inside of this freezer. It's very the size this one is bigger. The size of this working size is smaller, so this is the difference. So the difference number 4, you see the color. Some of the guys, they like something with metal and also grease. This is sexy, handsome. So they like this one. So some of you guys, they like something is only white. So difference number 4, it's the color. Difference number 5, which is very important, compressor. Both of them, they are using T-Compressor from France, but that one Q7 Pro, the compressor is not compressor bigger. I mean the power. How do you call this? The power is bigger. Power is bigger because it's more powerful. It's a little bit bigger than the stronger or more powerful. That one is more powerful than this one. So this one, the compressor is a little bit smaller, but it's not that much difference. So this one, because we made a video for this machine, the compressor is around from the beginning of during the machine's working, also the end. So when the temperature is going down, so that the power is different. So it's from 2,500 to 3,000 kilowatts. So let's say this one is 3,000 kilowatts. But normally we say 3.2 kilowatts, something. It's around there. So this one is from 2,300 to 2,500. So this one, the compressor is a little bit smaller. And also another difference between those two machines, very important, very important. So this one, this is metal. So when you open the lid, the temperature goes up. Not very fast, but this one goes up a little bit faster than this one. So this one, Q7R, the temperature, it keeps here better. It's better. The temperature, it maintains. Even though the temperature when you open the lid, the temperature goes up for sure, 100% for sure. But this one slower, this one faster. Why? Because this is metal. Well, you see, this is metal, this is strong, this is beautiful, give you guys very firm, but the temperature goes up. But this one looks like the fridge in your home, but this one the temperature keeps better, it maintains. So that's the difference. The 6 points. The 6 difference of those two machines. This is what I can think right now. Maybe in the future I can think more. At this moment I only can think of these 6 points. So they have something in common. So what they have in common? I'm gonna open the gate so that you guys see. For example, we're all using. Actually, I'm the first company in China. I mean, in this business, I like using very good parts for my machine. Very good part. Even though you're using some Chinese part, I mean, it's made in China or something, it works and also very good quality. But I like to use something even better. So that's why I'm using Schneider, Novecel. I mean the power supply is Novecel, the relay and also switch is from Schneider. And also inside is very, it's organized, it's beautiful. So this one as well, we're using Schneider, and also the compressor is also Tecumseh. Both of them they're using Tecumseh. Tecumseh is from, it's a French company, very good quality, very reliable. And we are using new. In our company, we only use new compressor. You know, a lot of people, they buy cheap freezer. You know why the price is cheaper? Because the compressor is refurbished. Compressor is refurbished, so that's why the price is cheaper. So that's why I'm telling you the truth. So if you want something cheap, I can give you cheap, but not those two. You can send me any photo. I can get you that one, and I can give you very good price. But I have to tell you, no guarantee. But those two machines we're selling with warranty. Both of them are with warranty, because I don't want to sell something without warranty, because you know the compressor, if it's broken or it's burnt, you cannot fix it. Because I've been selling this for years. I've been selling this more than 600 pieces. It's more than that, more than 600 pieces freezer. So we have experience in this. So that's why we know compressor cannot be fixed. Even though, or maybe some of you guys, my followers on YouTube, you can fix it, but at least until now, I haven't seen that. Probably you can fix it, but that's why I recommend you guys buy something with warranty. Don't regret in the future. Because you buy something cheap, they give you a refurbished compressor, so you're gonna have headache in the future. The temperature doesn't reach the temperature that it's supposed to be to help you to separate the screens, or the compressor just some days getting burned, so you have to call your Chinese supplier. They're gonna tell you, hey, send it back. I'm telling you, if you buy cheap stuff, you call your Chinese supplier, they're gonna tell you, please send me back. I can exchange for you, but I have to receive here in China. They won't give you any warranty. Even though some of the guys, they cannot even speak good English to help you to solve the problem. So this is I'm telling you this because we have experience, and I don't want you to make the wrong decision. You can buy from somebody else, please, but you have to talk to them, tell them you need warranty, because this one, without warranty, you are on your own. This is very it's kind of serious situation. So I recommend you guys buy everything, especially for those freezers with warranty. So I just want to repeat that you guys see. I'm just gonna repeat that you guys see the difference. So difference number one, the exterior part of this machine, metal, strong. Give you guys stronger, let you think stronger. So this one is plastic. So this is from the exterior parts. Part number two, this one is heavier, this one is lighter. Difference number three, the working size. This one is smaller, 25 by 35, 6 pieces inside at the same time. So this one actually you can put 9 pieces inside of this machine. Difference number 4, the color. Some of you guys, they like metal with grease. Some of you guys, you like white. Difference number 5 and difference number 6 are very important. Difference number 5, the compressor, this one is more powerful. This one is less powerful. But both of them can reach the same temperature. You don't have to worry about it. Even though this one is stronger, this one is like less powerful, but it doesn't matter. Both of them can reach the same temperature. Difference number 6, this one is metal, so that's why the temperature it goes up like faster than this one. It's not very fast, but this one at least is faster than this one. So this one, the temperature, it can be it's kind of stable. It's stable. If you open the lid, it's not like the other one. The temperature like goes up. So this one, the temperature remains. It will go up, but it's not fast. It's not fast. It's kind of slower than another one. So this is the difference between the two machines. Something common. They are all using very good parts. Compressor Tecumseh, and also the switch from Schneider. So also the other name of the relay is also from Schneider, and also this one as well from Tecumseh, Schneider. So I'm the first as I explained to you guys, I'm the first one using Schneider, and also the Tecumseh in this country. I just want to give you guys something better. So that's why that's something in common. There is another thing very important in common. Both of those machines I'm selling with warranty. I don't want to sell you guys with something without warranty. And one more thing, if you want something cheap, the one with refurbished compressor, let me know. I can get you very cheap price, but I have to tell you this before you buy this. I cannot give you warranty. But if something happens, I can send you parts. It's a relay or something switch. I can send you for free. But if a compressor or something air leak, the liquid leak, coolant leak in this machine, so we have to return to China. The cheap one. Not here. It's not here. But if you buy those two here, Q7 Pro or Q7R, both of them were selling with warranty. So later I'm gonna switch on this machine to let my technician to separate some screens for you guys, let you guys see how it works. And yeah, that's it. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and please don't forget that around the corner, I don't know this side or this side, but please remember, click that bell. That's the notification bell, so to make sure you can receive our latest videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.